Hello everyone, this video is going to about the installation of RST mods. So you can apply this tutorial in all versions. Okay, I am just telling you the method how you can apply the settings and how you can install the files correctly. Okay, you can use it in all versions. I am doing it with KR version. So, and if you are a new and watching my video on YouTube and you want to buy this mod, so you can contact with the below information which is in the description. So let's start the installation section. Okay, first of all you have to download all the files from the group. Okay, so after downloading all the files you just have to save it to the internal storage. How you can do that? So what you have to do is simply click on the three dots on the right side of the file, simply click on that and simply click on the third option, save to downloads. Okay, you have to do it with all files which you want. Okay, I have done it already, so let's move forward. So what are we gonna need for the installation? We are gonna need the modded data and the modded OBB and the firewall and the obviously the APK. I am using the without bt.apk. okay, you can also use the with bt means bullet track. Okay, if you want the bullet track you can use the bt apk, and if you don't want you can use the without bt.apk. all right, so let's move forward. First of all we have to extract the zip files. Simply extract them. Okay, I will also extract the big file. There you can see the two files, one is short data and another one is big data. Okay, you have we are gonna use both of them in this way. So first you have to extract all the files you need. After that we will move forward. Now I have extracted all the files I needed, and after that what you have to do it, first of all you have to install the APK. Simply click on that and click on the install button. After that you simply have to open the application. Simply open it. Here you can see the download OBB service, and your original OBB will be downloaded in the background. So what we have to do is, we don't want original files, we want the modded files. Okay, so you have to delete the original files which is downloading automatically in the background. Okay, if you will use the original files then you will face ban 100%. all right, so first what we have to do it, first we have to delete the original files. Simply what we have to do is, you have to use Zarchiver or empty manager to access the files in Android 11. Okay, in Android 10 you can do do this method without Zarchiver or empty manager, but for Android 11 you're gonna need Zarchiver or empty manager. So I opened my empty Zarchiver, and where I will go first, I will go on the Android section, and after that I will go to OBB. After that I will click on this folder com.pubg.kr mobile in the second last. all right, here you can see the folder is empty. Okay, so original file is not there. After that I will go back and click on data. Here you will see a com.pubg.kr mobile file. Here you can see I will long press on it and simply delete it. Okay, I don't need it because it is the original one. After that what we have to do is simply I will go to the file section where I have saved the files. After that first I will click on the modded OBB and copy it. After that I will paste it on the Android. First I will go to Android, after that I will go to OBB, and then I will go to com.pubg.kr mobile folder and simply paste it here. Okay, here you can see I have pasted the modded OBB. Now I will paste the modded data. Okay, I will again go to the folder where I have saved the files and simply I will go to the modded data. Okay, I have to select the big one first. Okay, I have to paste the big modded data first, so I will check it. Yes, it is the right one. So I will simply copy the big modded data and I will paste it to Android data and simply paste it here. And the big modded data is pasting. You have to simply hold it here, don't click anywhere. Okay, now it's done. Modded OBB is done and modded data is done. So here you can see the modded internal files. Simply click on it. After that click on the extract option on the third number. Okay, simply you have to go back and click extract it here in the internal storage. Okay, simply extract it here. Okay, I will simply replace all the files. Yes, it's done. Now you can you will see these files here in the internal storage. Okay, these are the modded internal files you are gonna need. Okay, now it's done. Now you have to open the application. Okay, now simply allow the display over other apps permission. I will allow it and simply click on back. After that click allow here. Here you will see a floating icon. After some time I didn't get any floating icon, so what I will do, simply I will minimize whole and again restart it. Okay, now you can see I got the token section. Okay, simply put your token here and click on login. After clicking on login button, you will see here like this. Okay, now what we have to do is here, hold on, I'm gonna tell you something which is very important. Here you can see in the memory section bypass logo. Okay, you have to activate it. Where you have to activate it? In the logo section. So I will simply minimize the whole again. Okay, this is very important. Okay, now I will activate the bypass logo. After the 5 seconds, okay, for the 5 seconds you have to wait on the Krafton logo. After that you have to click on bypass logo. Alright, now everyone is asking for the short modi data, how to use that. Okay, so I will tell that is very easy. So what you have to do is, on the one side you have to open the short modi data, and the right side you have to open where you have to paste it. Okay, simply first we will open the short modi data location where you saved that. Okay, so I have saved it in the download section here. So in the first one is my short data. Okay, so first file you can see com.pubg.imobile. It is the short modi data. Okay, I will open it. Okay, here you can see the two files and cache. So after in the right side you have to open Android. Sorry, you have to go back down there, you have to go to Android. After that you have to go to data, simply click on OK. Use this folder, allow. Okay, you have to open it, data folder. Okay, here you have to find the com.pubg.kr mobile or whatever version you are using. You have to open that. Okay, I will scroll up. I think it should be somewhere here. Sorry, I am not able to find the file. It is this one, com.pubg.kr mobile. I will simply open it. Here you can see the same file in the right side. I will simply select both the files from the left side by simply swiping right. After that I will long press on it and simply click on extract, and I will click on OK. After that I will have to select the copy and replace and apply to subsequent complete. Select both the box and click on OK. Here it is done. Okay, after that it will show like failed to open writing like this. Now it's okay, now it's all done. So in this way you guys can make installation. Okay, after that what you have to do is, when you will open the game, you have to follow the instruction. Okay, I have uploaded these instructions on my channel. So what you have to do is, first when you will open the game, you have to click on logo bypass. In the memory section you have to activate it in the logo, Krafton logo. After that here you can see lobby bypass on lobby. When you will be on lobby, okay, then you have to activate the lobby bypass. After that you have to click on RST mod special button on the island. Okay, when you will be on the island, you have to activate the RST mod special button. After that, after the last kill, you have to force stop the game and restart the game. Okay, after that you have to follow the same process again, and you have to keep playing. You have to keep doing it after every match. So that's it for this video, and if you have any issues and queries after watching this video, you can ask me on my Telegram channel. Okay, all the information is in the description. You can join my channel from there, and if you want to buy this mod, you can also contact me from there. Okay, thanks for watching.